Here we still have the roof secured in the same position as for the top lock cylinder and the main lift cylinders, meaning supported in the back by two 2-foot long 2x4s. And we're now going to take out the roof cylinders that move the center panel around. They have the same old bayonet style clips on one end of the mounting pin. So you scoot your screwdriver in there, turn it open, pull it out, and here we can take out the first front mounting pin and look at the interesting mechanism here. This pin stays locked in one position, and as the roof moves around, this pin will either stay secured in this place or move this way, and this allows the cylinder not only to move the panels but also to latch certain stages of the lock together. So here's the front pin taken out, and imagine I had done the same thing already on the rear pin here, meaning the clip is already off and we only have to pull out this pin. Well, this pin runs into this locking rod, so on the locking rod we have to take it off this little ball joint first. To take this locking rod off the ball joint, we had to take this hairpin style, this hairpin collar type pin out of the ball joint first, and then just pop it off the ball joint. That now gives us enough clearance to pull the rear mounting pin out. And here is our cylinder. All we have left to do is on this one, line 15 on the shaft side and line 16, you can see it printed on there. On the bottom side, pull the clips and pull the hoses out, same as on the other cylinders. Swap in the new cylinder and put on the hoses and secure it back in place, and we got this behind us.